Lagos, the heartbeat of West Africa, teeming with life and energy, where the old inspires and shapes the new, where natural resources, economical stability, and forward thinking all come together. Westwood Park Estate, Chongotedo, and Orangeville Abraham Adesoya, both estates offer landway investment, are located in this amazing city called Lagos.
The Westwood Park Estate is located in the new Lagos Smart City. It is situated behind the new ShopRite Lekki Mall and other fantastic estates at Shangotedo, with great environment, lovely atmosphere, and it's easily accessible. The estate is proposed to be finished to high spec quality, nice ambience, street light, green areas with naturally dry land throughout. Other great features include modern estate arena, location and accessibility, business and school districts in walking distance, fabulous views, tiled access road and electricity, recreational facilities and shopping mall.
To find your way to Westwood Park Estate from ShopRite Chongotedo, drive straight down the interlocking road. Upon getting to the end, make a left turn and drive straight down to the end of it. You will see a sign directing you to the estate. To get your way to our other estate, Orangeville. From Abraham Adesoya, follow the road straight down to the curve. You will see a Christ Embassy Church. Beside the church, you will see a school, and beside the school is a sharp turning by your right. Take the turning and you will see Orangeville right ahead of you.